been about 2 hours since I was here, and finally got all this area nice and sanded down. So we're going to go with the coat over the bottom. The bottom area is. So you remember I didn't sand really any of this down. The stuff sticks pretty good. So kind of got to paint the whole thing now because of the primer. Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Other side. Remember, this is the face. This is the side that's going to be facing the wind going down the road. Okay, good. It doesn't really say how many coats. It just says how many you want to apply. Apply additional coats. Within 4 hours after you've done it the first time. Either within 4 hours or after 24. So, it's been like 2 hours since I got out here. I got doing some yard work. Cutting down sumac and stuff. And again, next coat, I'm going to put a shiny coat on it. And you know you got a nice coat on it. As you can see, in the end I wound up painting the whole thing. Remember, that was the one I had to repair. Came out pretty good, I think. All right. Here your first coat. Now you're gonna blend in your two sections here. And I don't want to finally get a final dry on it. Flip upside down. So there we go. I like it. I like it. Probably gonna put one more coat. One more coat on it. That'll be that. Okay, back. Gonna do another coat on the bottom. That'll be the second coat. I don't think I'm gonna do a third. Nice and shiny without making it run. Try not to breathe. Fumes. The less fumes you breathe, the better. Getting thin. This is the end I had to repair, remember? It was looking pretty good. Alright. Hit that tip. It come out. Alright. Sweet. Alright. Okay. Gonna consider that done. Got one more. So what? I may not have another can of Max. Oh shoot. No, I'm gonna go buy another can then. Okay. I'm done. I'm done with the bottom, so I can let that cure for the 24 hours, and then we'll go on to the top, and I'll have another can. I'll have another can of Max by then. I really want to paint it on the vehicle, because then I don't have to handle it again. Because then it's on the vehicle, I don't have to handle it again, spray it, and that's it. It's there and done. See a little chip there, son of a gun. Overlooked it. So, but in a week or unfortunately, after a week or two on the vehicle, they're gonna be hit. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this continuation of getting the spoiler ready for her 96. Well, when I flipped it over, I noticed that these areas here had been a little bit scuffed up. So you get a little bit here, and there was a real thin layer of paint first time around. So that's where we're at. Just got back from Walmart. Got a new thing of Krylon. Got some finer grit blend than the 90 and the 180, and it's 220 or 320, and it's got some more 320. I didn't realize I had that. When you go even further up, you got your 400. Your different grits. To remove it, you're going to use between 24 and 80 grit. Smooth it, you want between 80 and 320. To blend or to scuff repair areas. And then primer, you want 400 to 1000 grit. And to polish, 1200 to 5000 grit. So I'll give you a little class on different blends, different sandpapers. So we can get this done. Final coat on here. Final coat. Okay. So that's that on my head. And see that one place I just didn't get. I didn't get you. I don't know. Where are you? I just saw something on here. Right here. It's really fine. Really fine grit. And I'm gonna just enough again to scuff it up. Get ready to paint. Now unfortunately I couldn't find the Max. That's something. I must have got it at the other Walmart, because didn't have any. So I need to stay with the Krylon brand, because if I went with something else, the chances are the chemical compound change. I was saying, chemicals in different manufacturers, paints could be different. Doopy color could be different. Using Rust-Oleum vice the Krylon might be different. What'll happen is it'll bubble. You don't want that. Fortunately, I can't even remember what the blends are that I got on mine. Nope, can't use them. I really like having a bigger hand thing here. So, alright, here we go. Get it started and get it finished today. Okay, great. Alright, let's get on the top here. That'll be the second coat for the top. Okay. Looking good. Okay, this next time I'll make sure it's all nice and shiny. Now what I got on mine is like semi. This is semi, but it's so worn now that it's kind of. Scuffed it. There's a mat. Same with these, almost matted now. It was somewhat metallic and matted. And it was somewhat metallic. Okay, let's do a final coat. Face the wind. That was my repair side. Alright. Okay. I'm done. Okay. Clean it out. I am done. Next step, be putting that on. Alright, there we go. I like it. Give it an inspection in a couple hours or so. Sure I didn't miss anything, and I'll go back and I can touch it up one more time. But I think what I'll do is, if I do have any problems, I'm going to go ahead and touch it up while it's on the vehicle. So just the transporting of it and getting it on the vehicle I'd rather tape everything up and hit it one more time on the vehicle and then take the chance that nothing gets stuck in the paint being out in the open. Or actually I just bring it inside the garage and paint it that way. So I make sure everything's the way it needs to be, and it's going to dry just that way.